If you didn't know, the Great Flood isn't just a Bible story. Versions of it exist all over the world, from Noah in the Bible to Utnapishtim in the Mesopotamian epic of Gilgamesh to the flood myths in Hindu, Mayan, and the Native American traditions. But here's the twist. Science shows no evidence of a worldwide flood covering the entire Earth. But what may have happened instead were massive regional flood like the Black Sea flood about 7,500 years ago, or the Ice Age meltwater flood that swallowed coastlines. For ancient people, these disasters felt like the whole world was ending. Those memories became stories that shaped religion forever. Now you know.